Dŵr Cymru, Welsh Water is a not-for-profit company. We don't have shareholders. The people that matter to us are the 3 million customers we serve every day, and the environment in which they live. We're currently investing £1.5 billion to improve our services for the future, to provide clean drinking water, protect homes from flooding, and look after our environment. We fix over 2,000 blockages a month, helping to reduce the risk of flooding in homes, and are making every effort to keep our rivers and beaches some of the cleanest in the UK. We've even secured the lowest bill increases in England and Wales, so the only ones who benefit are the people we serve and our environment. After all, it's your water, not ours. Welsh Water, not for profit. For you.